Yun, sa mga naghahanap ng Destinator GT na Lunar Blue mica, so check natin to guys. So ang SRP pala nito is 1,939,000 at Destinator GT two-tone na Lunar Blue mica. So ito guys, yung headlight niya is naka daytime running light na LED. LED na rin yung headlight. Then LED na rin yung fog light. Then meron siyang front sensor na 4 dito. Plus meron siyang multi-around camera. So yan yung design ng grill niya. So yan. So hindi kasama yan hood emblem, pero pwede rin tayo mag-previous ng hood emblem. So ang makina na ito is 1.5 turbocharged na gasoline engine. Tapos dito sa side is naka two-tone na 18-inch alloy wheels na Bridgestone Turanza ang brand. Then ang side mirror niya is black, tapos meron siyang camera 360, keyless operating system. Tapos ang door niya, yan, combination ng maroon and black. Ito leather. Tapos control ng side mirror and windows. So meron siyang ambient lighting. Yan. Tapos naka 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel na with audio control and cruise control, adaptive cruise control. Tapos 8-inch na instrument meter cluster na LCD na yan, digital na siya. Then dito is naka leather na combination ng black and maroon. Tapos automatic seats sa driver side. Then 12.3 infotainment system na Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na wireless. Then dual zone automatic climate control ng aircon natin with Nano X. Tapos wireless charging. And CVT transmission, continuous variable transmission with electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. Tapos engine push start. Then meron tayong 5 drive mode for Destinator natin. Center console na leather with cool box. Tapos ang airbag natin is driver side, passenger side, and side and curtain. Tapos meron siya dito ang panoramic sunroof. Ayan guys. Auto dimming rear view. Tapos meron siyang camera dito. Tapos seatbelt reminder, SOS, emergency call. Tapos i-connect nyo lang yung unit nyo sa apps na Mitsubishi Connect. Yan. Ito yung control ng sunroof. Second row naman tayo guys. So ito yon, with tray, parehas magkabila. Lagayan. With cup holder na rin yan. Meron din siyang lagayan dito. Tapos control ng aircon dito sa second row. With USB Type-C and Type-A. And center armrest with cup holder. 60/40 ang seat configuration. Split folding and tumbled. Yan. Then dito sa likod is spoiler with high mount stamp lamp na equip. Then pin antenna. And LED tail lamps. Rear camera. And backup sensor. Tapos automatic tailgate. Power tailgate. Ito naman sa loob is, sa third row is 50/50 full flat. Tapos meron siya dito sa left side ng charging ng USB Type-C and Type-A. So, yan. Ganyan. Spare tire nasa ilalim. So yun guys, sa interested na sa destinator natin, message lang ako sa aking number and tulungan ko kayo guys. Yun lang, bye guys.